Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C21, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, number one, you want to open up the File Manager application. From here, choose your either SD card or phone storage, depending on where your files are located, and whichever one you will pick. As you can see, both of them have similar file structure. So from here, I'm going to quickly go over a couple of folders that are here that might be important. So number one would be the DCIM folder, which will contain pictures, videos, screenshots, and I believe also probably screen recordings. So as you can see, there are some pictures, also screenshots. Then if we go back, we have the downloads folder, which will contain anything that you have downloaded, either through a web browser, emails, or whatever the case may be. Anything downloaded will be in that folder. And that's about all the important folders, to be honest. So find your files, which for me, I'm going to be using the photos as an example. And once you find them, you want to select them, and you simply do so by holding one of them. As you can see, it becomes checked, and from there you can tap on additional ones to select more. Now once you select your files, you will have two options. You have the copy option or move option. Choose whichever one you want to perform. I'm going to go with the move. And once you choose one, it will bring up the options for you to choose where you want to move the files to. So you can move it to a phone storage or SD card, depending on how you want to do it or where you want to move them. So I'm going to go with the SD card just to keep it different. And from here, I can drop it either directly to the SD card, or I could navigate into some of the folders and drop it into a folder. I'm not really going to bother with it, so move here. And this will move it straight to the SD card. And just to show you, I'm going to go back to the SD card, scroll down, and as you can see, there are the pictures that I have moved. So that is how you would move any kind of file. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.